We got a group coming behind us here. I saw a bunch moving over here.
Where the hell are they?
Are they in the trees?
They need to get in those trees and push.
They gotta be hiding inside there, huh?
Yeah. I don't know, how the hell do they change the flag? Just gotta go up and change it.
Inside. I heard somebody was shooting in there.
Right there, the ones that are hanging.
I just heard a shot coming in there. Alright, they got more coming this way. Where are they? What?
Where's he at? Second building or third? I don't know, we're just shooting to see if they're going to start talking. Did our guys get in that tree line? Hold on a minute. Alright, hold on. I don't see anybody over here yet.
Maybe they're just giving it to us, huh? No, they're probably giving it to us to keep that last bunker.
Balls ran down.
I'd say they're probably back behind here.
Let's all just run up.
Watch the next one.
They're probably all sitting in there. I have the right side.
I think they just bunkered up on that next bunker. I think they just...
Hey,
huh?
they like to lay behind these wood structures. And then you walk up on them and then they take you. Hey, you guys in there! Push down to the creek. Push down to the creek and push all the way along that fence line.
Yeah, we only got 12 minutes, so we got to keep moving.
I think they're content to give us this one and just fortify the other two.
That's totally what they're doing. They might be laying in these logs.
Yeah, well, let them.
Red! Hey, Red! We got one in the back windmill tower. Way back there?
Oh, where's that?
There.
They're in that one.
That guy? Yeah, there's two of them in that bunker right in front of us. Right.
They're in that one.
We can't get it. Yeah, they're just poking their heads out.
Up.
Inbound.
Any space guns here?
Yeah, Roman's up front with one. That's Roman, ain't it?
I don't know who that is.
I think that's ours. Careful, guys.
Was there somebody down the trees down here?
Yeah, there's somebody hunkered down over here.
Somebody's shooting. Somebody's shooting at the stump.
Far back!
We keep them pinned down, the other guys will come and get them.
He's probably crapping himself right now.
We got to get this building out over here. You hit?
Far left!
No brakes, I see. Yeah, but it's open to that side, isn't it?
Yeah. He's out!
We need to get to that berm next.
Hold on.
There's one right behind that berm.
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa!
Where's that from?
Right out of the weeds. He popped up from the wood. Good. None of them broke.
in front of me.
Straight ahead, Roman. He's right over there.
Boy, can we even crawl? Can we even crawl this shit?
They're just spraying
Over there, over there, over there! Oh, sorry. He's a sneaky little bitch.
Oh, is that the second one?
Yeah.
There's a guy on that hill. Right in the wood.
Yeah,
right in the
there.
wood.
Yeah.
Second wood bunker to your 12 o'clock. Oh. Domed him?
Nice.
Damn nice, man.
He should have gave himself up.
Glad I got it. Oh, alright, guys.
I'm coming with you.
I got you.
So there's this first berm, and then we got another one to get to. Boom. Behind this berm? You think he's behind this one?
Yeah, we're good behind this one. Sounds like there's a guy straight ahead of us.
That's the guy on the right side of the base over there.
I'll see if I can get a clear shot.
Let me know when you're going, I'll go with you.
We got a red guy to our right, too.
Let me know when you're ready.
I might try and move this next. Oh, somebody else just got to the berm right got in front of us.
Oh, I got somebody. Off the end of the building.
Get down.
Don't see anybody. Not yet, anyway.
Run.
Watch the building.
Red, he's right in that book. Far left.
Blind firing! Blind fire! Push it. Watch that bunkers to the right over there. Let's push it. It's empty. Where's the flag?
Right on the other side.
Yeah, there it is. We gotta get around. Shit, they're way back. Bad spot, Riff.
He's out. Behind us. Watch to your right. Hey. Watch the right. Hey, get cover. I'm gonna get that flag.
Yeah. Good job, bro. Watch her. Let's put. Is that the whistle? Rapid fire!
All we gotta do is hold fire.
I heard the whistle.
You wanna find out he's done?
I heard a whistle too.
Stay down.
Guys, there's somebody on the other side.
Keep going, guys. Keep going.